Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone supports personal voice and that it's updated. Once ready, plug in headphones or an external mic and move to a quiet room so recordings stay clean. Now open Settings, tap Accessibility, and select Personal Voice. Make sure your battery is above 50% or keep it charging. Tap Create a Personal Voice and follow the immediate prompts. This begins the recording sequence that trains the model, so stay focused and speak naturally when prompted. Next, you'll record the training set. Read each scripted prompt clearly and naturally, matching the pace the system suggests. Pause between phrases so the model captures clean segments, avoid background noise or exaggerated inflection. The system will show progress and let you play back clips, listen critically, and re-record any lines that sound off. Once all segments are captured, the phone will process the audio into a personalized voice model. This training may take a few minutes, so be patient and stay near the... After processing, name your personal voice and enable it for compatible apps. Test it immediately, use VoiceOver or any TTS app that supports custom voices, and listen for naturalness and clarity. If you notice glitches, return to personal voice settings, identify problematic segments, and re-record only those lines. This often fixes artifacts. As a last resort, delete the voice and start the creation process again. Make sure your iPhone's software is current, and you retry in a quieter environment to...
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.